100 AC fan and a switch. Kevin, when you tell me go behind now, when I come to 1, 2, the third time I'm going to why is that you wait? So because I yes, what's that you make? If this is the measurement, I will know. If this is the measurement, what you got top? Meaning that box no ACA, box na kasa ba we dey say ah, please the box na ACA, why your magazine is just why you repeat the same thing? Change it. And now we anyway, somewhere it should be aligned. The man, the bed in the inside them is our the man is talking about from best side, another socket for her, best side. Go ahead then. Socket. Into socket now, marking the same level. Repeat the same thing. You have got H1. Yes, and that is a count. 1, 2, 3. Marker. Hold on, marker is a count. Count 1, 2, 3. So in case you go to a place you don't have this, you know that this is 1, 2, 3. Then you put it. The best is a dividend. The TV. Wow. But now 120 divided by 2.
64.
60.
4.
60. 160.
Yeah.
Okay, so now check 60. 60. Yeah. Okay. With the 60, no. Mark where? Just mark it back. Then there. 5. Having 5 no. We bring our socket back on. Power socket back on. TV socket back on. Now drag down with you. TV socket going. We won't prepare. I feel. Where is it? 19. Right? Say 19. The 19 is another socket back on, TV socket back on. I told you TV conduit. You remember up to winning level. TV conduit. Waiting for you. Okay. I say, how long now?